Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Clara Z and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So as you can see from the thumbnail, I have yet another unboxing from the Chanel 20A collection. And as you know from the thumbnail, it is a fashion accessory piece. So without further ado, I'm just going to quickly unbox and reveal this to you. So as you can see, they are a pair of dangly Chanel perfume bottle dangly earrings. I'll take these out of the box so you can see what they look like up close. So here is an up close of the earrings. You can see there is a pearl stud and it has the plastic backing, and I'll put the length of the earrings on screen somewhere. And if you look up close at the perfume bottle, it has a lot of very beautiful details. So you can see that there is a pearl there, and then it has ridges that kind of go concave and convex, and it has some crystals here with a CC. So that is the front. The side also has that detailing. The same at the back and on the side. I am just going to quickly put this against my ears so you can see what it looks like on me. So here are what the earrings look like on me. And I frequently get asked, are these earrings very heavy? And I would say they are medium weight. If some of you are more familiar with these earrings with the chunky chains, these come up to approximately 15 grams, and these are approximately 13.7 grams. So they're actually lighter than the chain earrings, which means I can probably wear them for about 6 hours, and I don't find them too heavy, but I would consider them medium weight. So based on my personal experience, I tend to find that I can wear these earrings for about 6 hours, to which after that time I usually change up my earrings because they might feel too heavy for me. So I hope that helps you out if you are considering these particular earrings. And I also have another reveal from this same collection. Because I like this piece so much, I decided to also pick up the necklace from this collection. And again, it is the Chanel perfume bottle, and you can see it has the same details as the earrings. There's the front, there is the back and the sides. And if I were to compare the earrings and the necklace, they are practically the same size, in case you're wondering. So here again are some modeling shots of me wearing the necklace against a white t-shirt. So thank you for joining me again for today's short unboxing and reveal. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. And if you haven't done so already, please do like and subscribe. I hope you have a fabulous day and see you next time. Bye bye now.